Welcome to Infinite Tech, where we explore all things future technology and how it will affect everyday life. This is your weekly destination for uncovering the enigmatic world of emerging tech and scientific breakthroughs. We venture into a wide spectrum of topics, demystifying the complexities of our tech-infused world. Our journey together unravels every week, so don't miss out on our episodes. Today, we delve into the exciting world of space tourism infrastructure, from advanced spaceports to in-orbit hotels. Space tourism is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality. And the first step towards this reality is the development of spaceports. Imagine a bustling hub of activity, a gateway to the stars, where rockets take off and land just as planes do at an airport. This is the concept of a spaceport, a facility designed specifically for launching and receiving spacecraft. The early designs and plans for spaceports are as fascinating as they are ambitious. Picture massive structures with sleek designs, incorporating the latest technology, launch pads for rockets, landing strips for returning spacecraft, and state-of-the-art control centers. These aren't just figments of science fiction, they are blueprints for the future. The key players in the industry, SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic, are not just envisioning these dreams, they are bringing them to life. SpaceX, with its reusable rockets, is planning to turn space travel into a routine activity. Blue Origin aims to build a future where millions of people live and work in space, and Virgin Galactic is working on providing suborbital space flights to space tourists. These companies are all developing their own spaceports, each with its unique features. SpaceX's Starbase in Texas is planned to be a 21st century spaceport, a launch site for missions to Mars and beyond. Blue Origin's West Texas launch site is designed for reusable rockets, aiming to make space travel more affordable. Virgin Galactic's Spaceport America in New Mexico is the world's first purpose-built commercial spaceport, specifically designed for space tourism. These spaceports will not just be launch sites, they will be the gateway to space for tourists. They will be the place where ordinary people can embark on extraordinary journeys, where dreams of space travel become reality. They will be the starting point for adventures to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Spaceports are just the beginning. Let's now look at what happens when we reach orbit. A scene script. Imagine vacationing among the stars. Literally, this is the promise of in-orbit hotels. The concept of hotels in space is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's a reality that's on the horizon. These hotels won't just be a place to stay. They'll be destinations in their own right, offering out-of-this-world views and unique experiences that you simply can't get on Earth. Picture floating in zero gravity, gazing out at the Earth from above, and taking part in space-based activities tailored to the adventurous and the curious. Several forward-thinking companies are leading the way in this exciting new industry. First up is Bigelow Aerospace. They've already launched a prototype inflatable space habitat known as BEAM to the International Space Station. Their goal is to create a network of expandable space habitats that can serve as hotels, research facilities, or even lunar bases. Next, let's talk about Axiom Space. They're planning to build the world's first commercial space station. It's a modular platform that will not only serve as a space hotel, but also a laboratory for scientific research. With their eye on the future, Axiom Space envisions their station as a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. Last, but certainly not least, is Orbital Assembly. They're planning something truly ambitious. Picture a rotating space station, complete with artificial gravity, that's designed to replicate the comforts of Earth. Their vision is to build a space resort that can accommodate up to 400 guests at a time. These companies are trailblazers, laying the groundwork for a future where space tourism is as common as a trip to the beach. But they're not just creating hotels. They're building the infrastructure for a new era of space exploration and colonization. In-orbit hotels are set to revolutionize the way we vacation. But what does all this mean for the future of humans? It means the sky is no longer the limit. It means a future where we're not just visitors in space, but residents. It means a shift in perspective, a new way of seeing our place in the universe. It's an exciting time to be alive, as we stand on the precipice of a new era in human history. The dawn of space tourism is here, and with it, the promise of in-orbit hotels. So, pack your bags, space travelers. The stars are waiting. Please like and subscribe to see more exciting and interesting videos exploring the future of technology. Scene script. Space tourism is set to take off in a big way, but how will this affect our everyday life? For many of us, the idea of holidaying among the stars seems like pure science fiction. Yet, in the not-so-distant future, It could be as commonplace as booking a flight to your favorite beach destination. This new wave of tourism won't just bring joyrides for the wealthy, though. It's poised to have far-reaching implications on society, our economy, and our culture. Imagine a world where space travel isn't just for astronauts but for teachers, artists, and chefs. A world where the phrase, "the sky's the limit," is no longer applicable. This transformative shift could inspire a new generation of thinkers, innovators, and leaders who see beyond the confines of our blue planet. On the economic front, as space tourism becomes more accessible, it's likely to fuel job creation and economic growth. From engineers designing cutting-edge spacecraft to hospitality staff at in-orbit hotels, the space tourism industry could become a major employment sector. But it's not without its challenges. There are important questions about environmental impact, safety, and accessibility that need to be addressed. The space industry will need to balance the thrill of exploration with responsible and sustainable practices. Then there's the cultural impact. Imagine the profound shift in perspective when ordinary people can gaze upon our planet from the vastness of space. Seeing Earth as a tiny, fragile sphere amidst the infinite cosmos could foster a greater sense of unity and stewardship for our home planet. Moreover, it could bring about a renaissance in arts and literature, as creators draw inspiration from their celestial experiences. The moonlit sonatas and star-studded canvases of tomorrow could be unlike anything we've ever seen. Space tourism is not just about vacations, it's about expanding our horizons and redefining what's possible. It's about breaking down the barriers between us and the cosmos and pushing the boundaries of human potential. So, buckle up. The future of space tourism promises to be a thrilling ride. The future of space tourism is exciting and full of possibilities. We've traversed the dawn of spaceports, the next big thing in infrastructure that will serve as gateways to the cosmos. These advanced platforms will not only launch us into space, but also serve as hubs for commerce, research, and exploration. We've also touched on the emergence of in-orbit hotels, a concept that seems straight out of science fiction, yet is becoming more tangible with each passing day. These cosmic accommodations promise to offer unparalleled experiences and views that are literally out of this world. This rise in space tourism is poised to transform our lives, altering our perspective of the universe and our place within it. It will redefine the boundaries of travel and exploration, pushing us towards a future where the stars are no longer out of reach. Please like and subscribe to see more exciting and interesting videos exploring the future of technology. Join us next time as we continue to explore the frontiers of scientific breakthroughs.